This is theory question 7A in WAEC of 2022. It says, a man purchased 180 copies of a book at 250 naira each. He sold Y copies at 300 naira each and the rest at a discount of 5 kobo in the naira of the cost price. If he made a profit of 7,125 naira, find the value of Y. First, we have that he purchased 180 copies of a book at 250 naira each. That tells us that he purchased all 180 copies for 180 by 250 naira, and that's 45,000 naira. Now we are told that he sold these books in two tranches. First, he sold Y copies at 300 naira, and this implies that he sold all Y copies for 300 Y naira. Then the second tranche, of course, since he already sold Y copies out of 180, he's going to be left with 180 minus Y copies, and he sold them at a discount of 5 kobo in the naira of the cost price. This is the cost price, 250 naira. Now there is a discount of 5 kobo in the naira of 250 naira. What the discount of 5 kobo in the naira of the cost price means is that for every 1 naira, there is a discount of 5 kobo. Thus, the discount is going to be equal to 250 times 5 kobo. Of course, this is 250 naira. What we need to do here is to express this kobo in naira, and that's going to be 5 over 100. Thus, the discount is 250 naira times 5 over 100, and 5 over 100 is 1 over 20. 250 divided by 20 is 25 over 2. That tells us that the discount is 12 naira 50 kobo. So here we are going to multiply 180 minus Y by 300 minus 12.5. So this tells us that the people that bought the remaining 180 minus Y copies actually spent 300 minus 12.5, and that's equal to 287.5. So I'm just going to erase this and replace with 287.5. And if we multiply, we are going to have 287.5 by 180 minus Y. This is the amount the man made from selling 180 minus Y copies. So we've got two selling prices here. The first is the entire amount he made from selling Y copies, that's 300 Y. The second was what he made from selling the remaining 180 minus Y. And of course, I can just remove the bracket here, and this is going to be equal to 51,750 minus 287.5 Y. Thus, since the man made a profit of 7,125, we know what the profit is. The profit is just the difference between the selling price and the cost price. Thus, adding these two selling prices, the first one is 300 Y, the second is 51,750 minus 287.5 Y. So I've added them together, minus the cost price, that's 45,000 naira. So this is 45,000. So the profit is 7,125. I've got a number of constants here. This is 7,125. Moving 51,750 to the other side is going to be minus 51,750. Similarly, for 45,000, that's going to be plus 45,000, equal to 300Y minus 287.5Y is 12.5Y. 7,125 minus 51,750 plus 45,000 is 375. So this is equal to 12.5Y. Dividing both sides by 12.5, I would have 375 divided by 12.5, and we can see that Y is equal to 30. This is the value of Y. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, Kindly like it by giving it a thumbs up. Share to your friends and colleagues on social media. Don't forget to drop a comment and click on the subscribed icon. To get notified when I upload new videos, kindly click on the all, that's the dark bell button on the subscribed icon. Thank you for seeing it once again. See you in the next video.